All right, fellas. Now let's move on to understanding the comparison. We have seen the relationship already. Let's see if you have to compare two quantities. Now the comparison, as the word goes, I'm so sorry, it goes like this, that the comparison of two things can be done over time. That is, for example, I'm doing comparison of sales or profit. I'm just talking in terms of the data that we have in hand right now. Quantity sold over years, for example, from 2013 till let's say 18. Okay. And I want to do it on either on a yearly basis or I want to do it on a quarterly basis, right? And either I want to do it on a monthly basis as well. But after that, if I had to go for weekly basis, perhaps you had to go for a different kind of diagrams over here. But till now, we can definitely go for something called as line chart, right? This is going to give us the proper trend. And if trend is available, yes, I'll get the trend over here. If seasonality is available, that is the sales or profit or quantity sold is high at certain point of time, that is also easily observable over here. So we'll use line chart over here. Whereas if I have to go for comparison over, let's say, I should say among items. So if I had to go for among items, for example, subcategory wise sales, right? I had to see sales and I had to see them subcategory wise. Now, obviously, in this case, right, I'll go for something called as bar chart. Now, bar chart at times is also called as column. It's a case of nomenclature, right? So column chart when the bars are vertical and bar chart when the bars are horizontal. It's up to you. It doesn't. I mean, both the diagrams will represent the same thing. Bar charts are very, very, very frequently used in industry, and for some reason they become favorite. Now, what happens over here with us is that if we have to represent multiple things. For example, I want to represent sales followed by, let's say, profit in the same diagram. And if I have to go for quantity in the same diagram, I can do that with bar chart. Let's see how in Tableau. Right, so let's shift to Tableau quickly. Okay, we are on Tableau now. And yep, let's see how it works in Tableau. Right, so here I want to see, let's say, sales over, let me take sales over, let's say, where's the other hierarchy? Let me go for subcategory only. Okay, so if I go for show me and click on bar, a simple bar chart gets drawn over here. The first thing that we do is you take the entire view so that we understand it very properly, very easily. Now with this bar chart, I think we've already seen this. We can do a number of things over here. Allow me to spend some time on formatting over here as well. I can just right click over here and get to format, right? And we can just do a number of things over here. We can just reduce the font size of the case over here. We can increase the font size, whichever way we want. I like small font sizes and bold font sizes. We can change the color of the font size. Okay. And we can do a number of things over here. We can, whichever color we want, we can take that up. Okay, same is the case with the x-axis. We can just right click and go for format. It'll be taken to formatting options. Let's say go for 8 over here again and probably go for a different color here. Something like this. Will that matter? Let's see. Let's go for blue. Let's see how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks. So we can format the x-axis and y-axis over here. We can also format the title. We can go to the edit title. We can just select this particular shaded portion, take it to the center, make it bold, and 22 and Arial black are generally my favorite over here. So I'll try and do that only. Okay, Arial black must be right on top. Okay. And one of my favorite colors of heading is this one, dark brown. And if I just apply it, I'll be able to see how it looks like. And it looks like something which we can call a diagram. All right. Now we can click on this and get it in the ascending or descending order, or in the ascending order. It's up to you. And if you don't want this, you can keep it as it is. Now, apart from ordering in the ascending and the descending order, as per the length of the bar over here, you can also do a bit of ascending and descending over here as well. And this is where you need to put some key attention over here. Can you just see there are plus signs over here and there's something like this. Can you just see there's a very, very small arrow over here. Okay. And if I just click on this, I assign it alphabetically as it was just at the start. A to Z. Can you just see there is A to Z? If you can just see the cursor over here, or probably you can do it in your own Tableau notebook. It is A to Z. And then if I click on this again, it'll become Z to A. That is reverse alphabetical and alphabetical orders are there. Now, apart from this, if I want to do something else, I can click on this. I can actually, order it as per the quantity over here. But as there is only one quantity present in this diagram, the ascending and the descending will happen equivalent to what happens over here if I click this. This is a case of simple bar chart. But now once we move on to this, we can use, as we have already seen in one of the videos, that we can use the width of the bar chart and the color of the bar chart over here to represent multiple quantities over here. Right now I can just see sales and subcategory. Okay, let's see that in the next video.